Hey guys, this is and in this video we're gonna talk about Xiaomi's Mi Mix 3, which also update Android 10 update out of users in China. So yeah, let's get on with it. The Xiaomi recently released a Android 10 update for Redmi K20 and K20 Pro smartphone in China. Now the company has pushed another Android 10 based software update for Xiaomi's Mi Mix 3. And the latest bumps up the version number to MIUI 11.0.1.0 and is currently available for users based in China. The The OTA update is about 2.3 GB in size and brings at November 2009 security update. User will from to download the update with a push notification. Alternatively, the update can also be checked by going to settings, about phone, system update. And yeah guys, that's all for this video. If you want, I can give you a quick Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 specifications as well. Like, it had a 6.39-inch Super AMOLED display with full V experience, and the device comes with 3 different colors including jet green, sapphire blue, onyx black. And yeah, it runs on Snapdragon 845 chipset with 6 GB/8 GB RAM and 64 228 or 256 GB of storage, inbuilt storage. And also camera also have a setup on the back with 12 megapixel main camera, a 12 megapixel telephoto sensor, and also a smartphone also features a 24 megapixel slide mechanism pop-up selfie camera with a 2 megapixel depth sensor. So yeah guys, that's it. Let me know what's your thought about the phone, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.